Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Finance with Avern. In today's video, I'm going to share an exciting opportunity that could be for you. KeyBank has a $300 sign-up bonus when you're opening a new Smart Checking Account if you meet the eligibility and follow the steps. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the eligibility and walk you through the steps with the fine print to make sure that you can obtain this offer if you're interested in it. And I have the video separated and organized into chapters so you can skip to whichever section you want to. And with this KeyBank Smart Checking account, there are no monthly maintenance fees, and after that initial deposit requirement of $10, there's no minimum balance requirements. And KeyBank is the 22nd largest bank in the United States based on total assets. And this KeyBank Smart Checking Account is FDIC insured, so it has a Federal Deposits Insurance Corporation backing, which is very important. And in regards to eligibility, employees of KeyBank, its affiliates, and subsidiaries are not eligible for this offer. And this offer is limited to one account opening gift per qualifying account, and it's limited to one account opening gift per individual. Also, this offer is not available to individuals who were a primary account owner of a KeyBank personal checking account in the last 12 months. Now, one thing some of you may be wondering, and I actually did get a question about this, and I reached out to KeyBank and got an answer. KeyBank owns Laurel Road Bank. So if you got an offer from Laurel Road for signing up for an account for them or checking your savings account, you may be wondering, could I also get this bonus from KeyBank? Since KeyBank owns Laurel Road, would that disqualify me from this KeyBank bonus? Well, no, you will not be disqualified for this bonus if you got a bonus with Laurel Road. As you see here on the screen, I have the conversation I had with one of the representatives from KeyBank. I asked them, could somebody receive a new account sign-up bonus from both Laurel Road and KeyBank during the same time frame? I want to definitely make sure of that. And they stated that if you meet qualifications for both promotions, then yes, you are eligible to qualify for both offers. So I did want to mention that in this video in case you find yourself in that situation. Now, continuing with eligibility, you have to have a valid social security number and U.S. address to qualify for this promotion. And that's not all. You have to be 18 years or older, a U.S. citizen, and a resident of one of the following states: Alaska, Colorado, Connecticut, Idaho, Indiana, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Utah, Vermont, or Washington. So yes, there are several states where you could be a resident and be eligible for this bonus, but there are some missing if you notice. So you have to be a resident with a U.S. address in one of those states. And also you have to be opening an individual account, which is that KeyBank Smart Checking Account. And in regards to ID you'll need for the application process, you'll need to make sure you have either your driver's license, passport, or other form of government issued ID with a photo and signature on it. All right, so that is it on eligibility. If you meet all of those requirements in eligibility, then you'll be able to proceed with the steps. Let's start here with step number one. Step number one, you'll need to open your Smart Checking Account online by December 20th, 2024. So that is pretty much a month from when I am uploading this video on YouTube on November 20th, 2024. So you have until December 20th, 2024 to apply online for this account. And that offer code is going to be automatically applied when you open your account online from this page. Then I'll have the link to this page in the description of this video. It's not a referral link for me or anything. It's just a link to this promotional page. And you can Google like KeyBank $300 bonus or something like that, and you will likely pull up a link to this page. And when you're opening up the account from this promotional page, you will see that the promotional code is linked to the offer. You see it right here. It's already checked. So yeah, this is the first page of the application. Basic information they'll need, name, email address, date of birth, social security number. And this right here is not going to be a hard pull on your credit. So you will not get hit on your credit score for this application process. It's going to be more like a soft pull. They're just going to be checking your information to make sure you are who you say you are. So if you decide to open this account from a different page, not the promotional page, you'll need to make sure you enter the offer code if you want to receive this $300 bonus. And there you see it on the screen. The offer code is KDSA0624. And with the process in general, signing up for a new account doesn't take long at all. They state that it takes about 5 minutes is usually how long it takes to open an account. So not much of your time will be spent in the application process. So that is step number one, opening the account online through the offer page or with the promotional code by December 20th, 2024. So step number two, is to make the $10 minimum opening deposit and one eligible direct deposit of $1,000 or more within 60 days of account opening. So let me tell you about various ways that you can add money to this account for that $10 minimum opening deposit. And they state that it is important to add money to your account soon after you open it because they will close unfunded accounts as a security measure. So with adding funds to this account, you can set up, direct deposit, and that could be your way to add funds. That's also a requirement for step number 2. Or you can use Zelle, send money with Zelle in KeyBank online and mobile banking, set that up. Or you could deposit money into your KeyBank account at a KeyBank branch or ATM near you. Or you could do a mobile check deposit, with the KeyBank mobile app, taking a picture of the check front and back, and they'll walk you through that within the app. And also you could do a money transfer. You could transfer between KeyBank accounts, or you can link an external bank account in online or mobile banking. So if you got an account with, Bank of America, Capital One, Ally, Discover, whoever, you can link it to an external account with this KeyBank account and send money back and forth to that account, from that account, to this account, from that account, and so forth. You could do your initial $10 minimum deposit that way as well. Okay, now that you've done that, you got the $10 minimum opening deposit, what you definitely need to do is make at least one eligible direct deposit of $1,000 or more within 60 days. Now, what is an eligible direct deposit for this offer? Let me tell you with the fine print here. So eligible direct deposits are electronic automated clearinghouse ACH deposits. Examples of those include, but are not limited to, payroll, Social Security, pension, and government benefits. So pretty standard when it comes to eligible direct deposits for this offer, like it is with many other sign-up bonus offers that have direct deposit as a requirement. Basically, a lot of people are going to hit this requirement with their payroll from their employer. Whether you get paid, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, you just need to have that direct deposit set up from your employer or your Social Security, pension, or government benefits of at least $1,000 or more at least once going into this new KeyBank Smart Checking Account. So you don't have to direct deposit, your whole check amount if you don't want to. You could do a percentage that's going to equal that $1,000 or more, or just, I know for a lot of employers, you could put in the actual dollar amount that you want deposited into a certain account. So you could put in, $1,000, $1,005, $2,000, whatever you want to do to at least hit that $1,000 minimum for that direct deposit. So there are some deposits that are not eligible as a qualifying direct deposit for this bonus, and they include deposits made through a teller, ATM, or the KeyBank mobile app. They are not eligible direct deposits. Also, like an external transfer from another bank into this bank account, that would not be eligible for a direct deposit for this offer. Now, you could do these things within the account, deposit money at a teller, ATM, KeyBank mobile app, check deposit, transfers, all that kind of stuff. You could do that with this account. However, that won't be regarded as an eligible direct deposit for step number 2 requirement. Now, that is step number 2. It's making your deposits. Very easy, very simple. Let's go on to step number 3. Step number 3 is receiving your bonus. Your bonus will be deposited into your new KeyBank Smart Checking Account within 60 days of meeting the requirements. So that clock is going to start ticking after step number 2. Some bonuses, you have to have the account open for a certain amount of time, and then that waiting game starts after that certain amount of time, whether it be 90 days, 120 days. Then they have the requirement to meet the eligible direct deposit requirement within 60 days of account opening. However, you can meet that sooner. So if you meet that within 30 days or 20 days or however, that countdown to receiving your bonus is going to start on that day that you meet the requirement, not the 60 days after opening the account. Also, very important, you have to keep the account open to receive the bonus. The account cannot be closed at the time of gift payment, they state. So you definitely want to keep the account open. Some of the sign-up bonuses require you to also have a positive balance. This bonus doesn't state that you must have a positive balance. However, me personally, when a sign-up bonus doesn't have that as a requirement, I still like to keep a few dollars at least in the account if I'm not actually using it. So I would personally, keep a few dollars in it, just me, but that's not a requirement for this bonus because there's so many different bonuses. Instead of for me getting it mixed up and going oh, I don't have to keep a positive balance for this bonus, but I do it for this bonus. You can, just keep a positive balance in all of them, or you can have a spreadsheet, which is something I do personally. I have a spreadsheet of the sign-up bonuses that I do, what the requirements are, and things like that. Also, in regards to the bonus, there's going to be taxes involved, of course. The value of this gift, they call it, the $300, will be reported on Form 1099-INT. So that's something to keep in mind. If you do your taxes yourself, then you're familiar with this process and where to enter this information. If you get somebody else to do your taxes, just make sure you take this form with you to whoever you get to do your taxes, along with your other regular documents that you'll take, Basically, if you get this bonus paid to you in 2024, then you will receive that 1099-INT in the mail in 2025, probably in like January or February. If you get paid this bonus in 2025, then you won't need to report this on your 2024 taxes. You'll need to report it on your 2025 taxes in 2026. So if you get the bonus in 2025, you will receive that 1099-INT towards the beginning of the months in 2026 to report it on your 2025 taxes. So depending on when you get the bonus paid, depends on when you have to report it on your taxes and when you will receive the form and so forth and so forth. And then after you receive your bonus, you're welcome to close the account out if you want. If you no longer want to use the KeyBank checking account, if it doesn't work for you, you found that, not that useful, after you receive your bonus, if you want to transfer that bonus out to another account you're going to use and then close the account, you are definitely welcome to do so. But of course, if you found the account useful and you want to continue using it, that's totally fine as well. You don't have to keep the bonus in the account in either regard if you're going to use the account or if you're not. And that is it with the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave it down in the comments. If you like, I try to reach back out to you, get an answer. If you have a question, if you have experience with this offer and want to share it with anybody else who may be interested in it, definitely leave a comment down below. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button as well. Thank you for watching. Take care.